Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So today, my name is Chidima. Don't I forget. So today we'll be talking about a very crucial topic. Yes, if you are planning to relocate abroad, this is very important that you watch this video to the end, and I know you're going to get something out of it. So today we are talking about visa and immigration process. Yes, this is very important for anybody planning to relocate abroad. Whether you're relocating by work visa or as a student, or you're relocating on a fresh start, or you're even just planning to just travel abroad, you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so let's get right into it. First of all, we need to understand what a visa is. Okay, visa is just a document that guarantees you access to another country. Yes, so yes, like I said, visa is something that gives you access to another country to live, to stay, to be in that country. Yes, that is what visa does. So it's just a document. Yes, that shows that, yes, so I'm allowed to live in this country. Oh, I was granted an access, so I have a right to stay here. Okay, so that's what visa is. And again, there are different types of visas. There's a tourist visa, which is for people that are planning to travel on holidays. Yes, holidays is a tourist visa. There is a work visa, people that got work, got a job in another country and are planning to, and are relocated to that country, so that's a work visa. There's a student visa, of course, you know this one, student visa, the one you are there to study. You know, there is always a business, there's also a business visa for people traveling on businesses and business conferences, meetings. You know, that is what the work, the business visa is about. And also the family visa, people planning to join up with their families. Let's say your husband is living abroad, or your family member, your wife is living abroad. So this visa guarantees you access to go there and join the person. So these are different kinds of visa that you should be aware of as somebody planning to travel abroad. So while each visa has its own requirements, there are some basic things that you need, that you must have before applying for visa. Yes, these are the basic things that you must have, that you must checklist before applying for your visa. Number one is that you must have your passport, like a valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months. It is very important that your passport is valid for 6 months. It is very, very important for your own sake. Yes. So another thing is that you need your visa application form. You must checklist that you have a visa application form. Another thing is that a passport size photo, you know, a passport photo. You need a passport photo. Also, another thing is a proof of purpose. The proof of purpose shows that purpose of what you are traveling to. Is it business? Is it tourist? Are you traveling on work? Are you traveling as a student? As a student, you're going to show your admission letter. You know, all those things you need. This is a proof of purpose of what you are traveling there to do. Your financial proof, your statements of account. Yes, you need to show this statement of account before you be given visa. Another thing is that you need your travel insurance and also your criminal records proof. That is your police report. Yes, these things are needed. This is very, very important. These things you must checklist it before applying for your visa. These are the things that you need, that are very important, that the basics ones that you need. Although remember that I said that different visas that might have additional things, like as a student for applying for your visa, applying for other things that you may need to apply. But these things that I listed are the basic things that you need to be able to apply for this visa. So after getting your documents ready, the next thing is the process. So first and first, you make sure you research on that particular visa that you are planning to apply for. These are the things that you can do yourself. You don't need anybody to do it for you. So you make a research. After making your research, you complete an application form, which you must have in order to submit your application. So you complete an application form. After that, you submit your application with your supporting document. Now you submit your application, you pay the visa fee. Before, some countries want you to accept to, you know, visa fee. But currently almost all, I think all the countries accept your visa fee, so you have to pay the visa fee. After paying your visa fee, you schedule your interview and you go for your interview. Then after your interview, then you wait for the process. Yes, so that's just, you wait for your process, you wait for it to process the visa. Okay, so it's not a long thing. These are things that you can actually do yourself. You don't need anybody. Once you have these documents, just go to the official website and apply. Make sure you are on the official website. You make inquiries, make sure that this is the official website, then you start your application. Okay, yeah. So another thing is that now we'll be talking about some common mistakes that might come, some common problems that might come up, you know, after you have applied for your visa. Number one is that there might be delayed process. That your visa is being delayed does not mean that it's going to be rejected. So they might be just trying to fact check everything. Yes, another thing is that some documents might be rejected. Maybe there's a document that you submitted that doesn't go well with them, so they will just reject them. I request you to send another document, you know, to sure. So another thing is that your visa can be denied. Yes, it happens to some people, but it doesn't happen to a lot of people. So, but it happens, your visa can be denied. Another thing is that there can be a change in regulation in visa processing. Okay, so these are the common challenges that you might encounter after your application. Also, your visa can be approved. Yes, so yeah. So in cases whereby your case is complex, remember to try and maybe involve an immigration expert, immigration lawyer, you know, to help you, maybe to explain some certain things that you might need to know while you are waiting. Yes, also now, congratulations, your visa was granted, and now you are packing your bags, and you are, you know, planning to move to the new country. So there are some things, remember to fact check, make sure you double check your visa to be sure of everything, your dates and time. Make sure you prepare for the immigration control, because you're going to be controlled. You have a document that shows that you have a right to live in that country that you are moving to. Make sure you plan towards your visa renewal if you plan to, you know, renew your visa there. So just make sure you have everything controlled, and that's just it. I hope this process is clear. This information gives you a clearer view of what you are to expect, you know, while applying for your visa, while planning for your visa and immigration process. And if this information is very helpful to you, if you watch this to this place, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel so as to get more information on when we post a new video. Okay, click on the notification bell so you can be notified when we, of course, post a new video. All right, so make sure you share, because you can be helping somebody. And bye bye, see you in my next video.